Indicator is not illuminated.
And undocking confirmed at 4:58 p.m. Central Time.
We are observing.
As the International Space Station and the Soyuz flew 252 miles over southeastern Mongolia.
The free drift indicator is not illuminated. Guys, good luck to you on the station.
That was Fyodor Yurchikhin wishing his colleagues good luck aboard the station. Again, undocking occurring at 4:58 p.m. Central, 5:58 p.m. Eastern, as the station flew over southeastern Mongolia, 252 miles above the Earth.
We are observing the docking port. It is clean. Copy.
So there are no foreign objects on the docking interface. Copy. I'm standing by for the thruster firing. Copy. This thruster has fired. DPO has fired.
The first separation burn is underway.
8 seconds. We have maneuver. Copy.
Now the Soyuz into a roll program to reorient itself for the second of the two separation burns.
Yes, the maneuver is done. We are standing by for the GSO in attitude. Copy.
About 25 seconds away from the second of these two separation burns. This one coming up will be 15 seconds in duration.
So a few seconds until the second burn. We have DPO firing. Copy.
Second separation burn underway. You can see the thruster firings in this image from one of the external cameras on the International Space Station, increasing the opening rate for the Soyuz, where 2 orbits from now it will be in position for the deorbit burn that will send it out of low Earth orbit on the route home to a landing in south central Kazakhstan.
We are ready to send the command G or Grigory 4 and TV deactivated. It's a go. In work.
And there's our video of the Soyuz MS-04 under its main chute and the nominal venting of hydrogen peroxide from the thrusters. Everything is in great shape. We should be seeing the jettisoning of the heat shield that will expose the altimeter that will provide altitude and rate of descent information to the Soyuz's computers. Everything is in great shape, just 11 minutes until touchdown. Clearly saw the soft landing engines firing a second or two before touchdown. And there you see the first of the crew members coming out. That would be Fyodor Yurchikhin. The 3 crew members were extracted in fairly rapid fashion with no issues associated. They are now inside the inflatable medical tent at the landing site undergoing initial medical testing.
I understand. Let's free up some space here. We put this down for the crew members. You can stand here behind the seat. Should I give you the baseball hat? Over here, over here. Here.
Once again, this is a replay of the extraction of the crew, some of which we saw live within the hour. That's Jack Fischer, of course, back on Earth after 136 days in space with
well.
Fyodor Yurchikhin.
Oh,
Peggy Whitson
do you
was the
happen
last out of the Soyuz vehicle. She was seated in the right seat of the descent module. And here comes Peggy Whitson. So all 3 crew members now out of the Soyuz MS-04.
Okay, that's it. Good job. Take measurements.
Okay.
Сделайте второй, наверное.
At the landing site, they should be carried very short time from now into the inflatable medical tent for the start of medical testing and to get out of their Russian launch and entry suits.
So let's move. Who's going to carry the commander? Hold on a second. 1, 2, lift.
And Yurchikhin now being carried toward the medical tent.
Watch my shoulder.
And now Peggy Whitson being carried toward the medical tent right behind Yurchikhin. Fischer will follow shortly. And Jack Fischer being carried toward the medical tent. All 3 crew members again will doff their Sokol launch and entry suits and get into more comfortable clothing for a period of medical testing.
Peggy. Peggy. Okay, let's enter.